before the Deputy Senate President takes over. I had intended doing this, but when my eye was browsing, I did not notice. A very important thing has happened in this country today. And I feel it's important that I bring it to your knowledge. This is a letter from my colleague. Let me sit well for the purpose of this. I'm guided by my colleague, the Deputy Senate President, because I think we will have to take a picture together. This is notice of defection from the Labour Party to the All Progressives Congress. This is very important for the benefit of this country and the peace of this nation. I write to respectfully notify the distinguished Senate through the office of the Senate President of my resignation from the Labour Party and my decision to officially join the All Progressives Congress. This decision follows extensive consultations with my constituents, my political stakeholders, my supporters across Edo South Senatorial District, who have expressed their desire to have me enter a party that will give our people national prominence and political relevance. I want to align my senatorial district with the development and the renewed hope agenda of the current administration. My defection is necessitated by irreconcilable internal crises and leadership challenges within the Labour Party, which have hampered my capacity to effectively represent and deliver on the true mandate of governance to the good people of Edo South. And this has accounted for the many complaints and tears that the senator had been heaping on me. I remain fully committed to the service of my constituents and the advancement of the democratic ideals of this Senate. Kindly accept the assurances of my highest regards as I request that this letter be read on the floor of the Nigerian Senate and appropriately documented. I want this to be documented because it will infringe on my right and privilege as a senator if I do not ensure that this is documented. Oh, this is signed by distinguished Senator Naija Imasuen, LLB, BL, MPA. And this is so important that I felt it is important I bring it to the notice of the Senate and for the documentation of the clerk of the Senate. Clerk, please ensure the documentation. May distinguished Senator Naija step forward as you move graciously to your new party. And please approach the chair for a handshake. Senate Leader, please bring your people. Guys. You shall no longer labor in vain. You shall not labor in vain. Please touch him. From today, you will not labor in vain. You will no longer labor in vain. You will not labor in vain. You will not labor in vain.
Let your microphone pick.
You will not labor in vain. And your decision to leave a fractured party is noted and well documented. You will not labor in vain. You will not labor in vain. Welcome to the APC.
That's a good one.